নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা তরফ থেকে আজকে এপিসোড নাম্বার 58 on Kora and crepe Banarasi. So let's start seeing the beautiful beauties which are very fashionable at the same time traditional. Product number 1, this is in pure silk Kora. Kora and organzas are both same. Few call them Koras and few call them organzas. What I will be showing you in these Banarasis, these are absolutely hand woven and handmade and pure silk Koras, not the blended ones. These are pure Koras, burgundy color, a very favorite burgundy color with a rich viridian green antique zari woven border all over buta, corner buta. This is a very famous buta, Konya buta. It's a term used by the weavers of Banaras. 13,900 rupees, a very unique combination of burgundy and viridian green. It's a very lightweight sheer fabric of pure silk with rich green blouse piece. It's a beautiful rich green blouse piece. So the combination is a bit unique, because burgundy and viridian green is a very uncommon combination. So this is the look, and product number 1, 13,900 rupees. So here is the sari. So in case you are liking the product, what you have to do is send me the message taking the screenshot along with the description written to the 2 numbers that is given. You can use any one number for the single booking, not multiple numbers. There is 2 numbers, 76030429696, and the other number is 98311918280. This is the product number 2, 13,900, again Konya buta. This is purplish with red border, purple and red. This is also a very pretty combination. See the color combination. So these colors are I've done a bit unique combination so that it looks uncommon. This fabric in dark purple, it's a brinjal skin color, and this is a 13,900, again Konya buta with red blouse piece. Product number 2. Many of you were wanting this product last time and I couldn't give it. So these are the few products that have come, and I'm showing you along with this crepes that I will showing you. These are very pretty colors, similar to what I had shown before, but definitely the weaves and the designs will be different. So you can select from these, and let me tell you, these are all antique copper zari. I usually don't use the shiny zari, so these are matte finish. Like this is a pastel shade combination, hence I've used like slightly brighter zari. So with this, the matte zari will not look nice. So in this case particularly, I've used a very pretty color combination of zari. It's antique silver, not exactly silver, but it is light goldenish silver color. It's a very uncommon combination because it's in rose pink with light sky blue color. Pink and sky combination with this antique zari wouldn't look nice. So for those who want this kind of combination, this is the other color combination. So this is the lovely shade of sky blue and rose pink color. Product number 3, 13,900, again with blouse piece. Just a minute, maybe I'm showing you the, sorry, this is the actual thing. So the blouse piece is very heavy. See, this is the pallu part, and this is the rich woven blouse piece. This is the blouse, this is the pallu, and this is the border. Very pretty combination, and all one piece product. So, and see the Nakshi weave, such beautiful weave in the border, and this is the actual color, so you will get to look the combination. Product number 3, again 13,900 rupees, very soft, lightweight. See, this is also in burgundy. The previous one was purplish This is in burgundy and dual tone reddish Rani combination. It's actually red, but there is a tinge of pink in the border, in the pallu part also. See the color combination, it's so rich and so heritage. These are actually heirloom collection. Generation wise you can wear these because there's a very minimum maintenance, only that you have to change the folds if you are not wearing it regularly. Sometimes give for polish even if you are not wearing the sari, and wash we hardly do, we wear these saris once in maybe 6 months or maybe in a year, but just little bit of maintenance, that is change the fold and sometimes give for polish. Just see the beautiful antique woven border. One part is slightly broader than the other part because the blouse will be contrast, and this border is very rich antique border. Let me tell you again, this is antique. This is the pallu and the rich woven contrast blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So here is this is in double fold. Few of you were asking about the length of a sari. Usually what we say baro hath sari, 12 hand sari we usually say in Bengali, baro hath sari. So usually a full length sari is 5 meters 40 centimeters. So 540 is the length of a sari, which is there in all my products. After that there is the blouse piece. So after 5, we usually to be precise, we cut 5, we keep 5.5 meter sari and then we cut the 10 centimeter more and then we cut the blouse piece. That's the standard length of a sari. These, if you want, there is a running blouse like we had for cottons or many saris. Of course the blouse will be much more, the sari will be, if you don't cut the blouse, if you just take out the material of the blouse piece border, then of course the sari will be longer if you want more and more pleats. But usually I don't like too much pleats because my stomach tends to stick out. So that's the reason I usually cut off the blouse, even though I usually don't make the blouse of the sari product. 13,900 again. It's in blue and pink color combination. Blue and pink with contrast Rani blouse piece. All in pure silk kora. See, this is the blouse piece. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jambil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. So I alternately shift my product to, maybe one episode is airing from Jambil Lane and one from Cornfield Road. So just to distribute the flow of the customers and the messages that I receive. So you can visit both the branches for more options. We have many more stocks. Only the menswear collection is only available in Cornfield Road branch. See, this is also another same border, but the combination is again in burgundy. So this time I've got so many burgundies for you to choose from. This is burgundy and a magenta combination. See the color with all over butta. This is the pallu and of course with a magenta blouse piece. After you get the confirmation, after I give you the payment details, within 2 days the products will be shipped. If it's within India, 4 to 5 working days. Outside India, it will go via courier 7 to 8 days. So in case you need additional services, then it will take some more time, maybe polish or fall pico. So then our blouse stitching, which we also do, charges applicable. So then it will take a few more weeks to dispatch. So in that case you can get the details from the numbers mentioned when we do the booking for you. So this is another beautiful shade of burgundy and Rani combination. These are all in koras. So now koras done. Now I'll shift to crepe Banarasi, which somewhat like I'm wearing. Last time I had worn a black, that is also available now. So those who are looking, you can check out the previous episode. I was wearing a black crepe Banarasi and many had inquired for that. It was not available then, but now that product has arrived. So here is a beautiful Rani color. This is a typical Rani color combination in crepe Banarasi with Konia Butta. This is the Konia Butta product number. This is 7. 10,950 rupees. All the details description it is given below, so you can just have to press the icon and then the details will be there. Running blouse piece, you can of course wear a contrast with this color, Rani color. You can wear a bottle green, you can wear gold, you can wear a woven combination like woven Banarasi blouse piece, which will also look nice, like maybe a royal blue and this Rani combination blouse if you can collect, or even this sari blouse itself is extremely rich, so make this blouse because it's a gold woven blouse. See the border of the weave of the blouse. It's a lovely hand woven blouse piece which will look very nice with this usually, and wear a contrast jewelry. How about wearing this blouse piece and wearing a green color contrast stonework jewelry? I think that would also look very different. Now red. These are all narrow borders. So ma'am, many of you were asking for narrow borders. Yes, I remember quite a few messages I've got that you want a narrow border crepe. So these are narrow border crepe with woven, see, beautiful woven narrow border crepes, very sleek border and very good quality, heavy quality crepe, pure crepe Banarasi hand woven, Konia Butta, 10,950. It's a lovely shade of red. Yes, it's a deep bright red, very pretty color combination. With this also you can wear a contrast bottle green jewelry or a black stone or a multicolor stone also and make this blouse. See how lovely the blouse piece is, like it will have a look like what I'm wearing. This is the blouse piece. Very smart. These are actually very traditional, at the same time young girls would also love wearing. It's very manageable, very feminine sarees. These are actually very, very feminine sarees. And these are not the fine quality, these are very heavy quality pure crepe. Product number 9, again sleek border with Butta, 11,500. So I've kept all ranges also. Crepe Banarasi starts from 10,950 rupees. This is in rich midnight blue color with all over very tiny all over বুটা and ভীষণ ঘন বুটি, পুরোটা ছোট ছোট ফ্লাওয়ার বুটা কিন্তু পুরোটা করা হয়েছে। এর মধ্যে নকশি পাটটাও ভালো, খুব সুন্দর অ্যান্টিক। अगेन কর্নার বুটা 11,500। দেখুন এর মধ্যে এটার সাথে কিন্তু আপনার ম্যাজেন্টা ব্লাউজও খুব ভালো লাগবে, এটার সাথে মাস্টার্ড কালার ভালো লাগবে, রেড তো যাবেই। সো দোজ হু আর you are right, we are we have become slightly slow in replying the messages because এখন অনেক সাবস্ক্রাইবার মানে আমাদের মেসেজ করছেন, তো একটু স্লো হয়ে গেছি আমি রিপ্লাই করতে করতে, আমার ছেলের বোর্ডস সামনে, so I'm also a bit busy with spending little bit quality time with him, so please bear with me. So this is a navy blue color, antique zari, beautiful woven blouse piece. এই ব্লাউজগুলো একটু বড় করে বানান, এই ব্লাউজের হাতাগুলো যদি বড় করে বানান না ভীষণ ভালো লাগবে, খুব সুন্দর লাগবে। এই কালারটা খুব ভালো লাগছে গায়ে ফেলে। সো দিস ইজ another, I have more colors in this. Product number 10 in rich viridian green. It's more or less bottle green kind of a color, মানে viridian মানে খুব ডিপ গ্রিন কালারটা, রিচ কালার। এই কালারটা খুব ভালো লাগে, মানে this color, this green goes leaf green and all, sometimes it reflects on your skin if you are not very confident of how to carry, but I think this color suits everybody. 11,500 rupees. We can stitch the blouses for you. এটার সাথে ব্লাউজ আমি আবার বলছি, একটু যেহেতু পুরোটা woven ব্লাউজ, একটু বড় হাতা করে ব্লাউজটা বানান, little longer sleeves, glass sleeves. You can make a boat neck blouse or a collar, you can use collar, or you can make low necks but with a long sleeves. This is the blouse piece. rich green. Product number 11. So see, crepes also, I've not done much experiment with crepes কারণ crepes এর মধ্যে কিন্তু ট্রেডিশনাল ব্যাপারটাই ভালো লাগে বিকজ এগুলো একটু আবার বলি দিস আর ভেরি ফ্যাশনেবল সারিজ বাট অলসো ট্রেডিশনাল। দেখুন এটার মধ্যে অল ওভার বুটি রেখেছি লাইক ইউ নো আফটার ওয়েডিং অলসো ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু গো টু সাম ইভিনিং ফর্মাল ওয়েয়ার্স ফর anniversaries, gifting for anniversaries. These are really nice ones, you know, for rich look, and it's a lovely red. You can wear it for many years. You know, I have no problem in wearing bright colors, but many say আমার এত বয়স হয়ে গেছে আমি red পরবো কি? আমি of course পরুন, সব কালার পরুন, whatever you like, whatever your heart feels, you should wear those colors. 11,500 rupees in a bright red Banarasi crepe all over, small buta, nakshi woven border, narrow sleek border, and with blouse piece. Those with all over buta, those blouse I've kept plain because otherwise it will look very clumsy. So this plain blouse with the border, of course. This you can make a sleeveless blouse. These sleeveless blouse or a strappy blouse will also look very smart. Halter neck blouses. This will look very smart if you want to experiment with plain blouses. And of course black. How can I miss out black? This is very smart one. Jet black, pure crepe Banarasi Konya buta, all over booty. Another thing, the silks that you all had ordered, the batik episode silks, those are almost ready. Only few designs are still pending. So those who had already given the advance for the batik designs, so please contact the number and make the balance payment so that we can ship the product. They are almost ready. 11,500 rupees. But one thing, these products cannot be taken orders. So these are hand woven sarees and one piece only. So these once sold, you'll get more designs but not exactly the same, and we do not take customers orders on weaving products. This is the blouse piece. Jet black Banarasi crepe. Product number 13, again Rani but with buta. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, and of course charges are applicable. This is the pallu, 11,500. Konya buta, and again plain blouse. These, you know, I'm wearing one and I'm showing you. I have the fabric in front of me. It's pure and so rich. You will love this fabric. Sometimes the crepe are very, you know, the thread is not thick enough, the cloth is not, but this is really, really rich. Solid color, contrast border. Rich green with, of course, contrast red combination. Red pallu, 10,950 rupees. Contrast border pallu in crepe. Contrast border pallu. Those were in monotones. This is in contrast border. See, I'm just flipping the fabric and it feels so good. And then comes the contrast rich woven blouse piece. Just check out the blouse piece fabric. Hand woven, fully Banarasi contrast blouse piece. This is the, sorry. So see, these are the concepts which we need to discuss with the weavers, and my beautiful and very efficient team of Banarasi weavers do extreme good work in weaving these. They have been with me for past 25 years. This is the pallu. Same color, same price, combination changes in dark navy and red, 10,950 rupees. I'm really honored to be associated with this Rich Crafts Weavers Forum. See, this is the blouse piece. This is the pallu. So if you keep watching the videos, you please like, subscribe, press the bell icon for regular notifications. So for these you will get to receive the instant notifications and first come first serve basis these products, because these are all single pieces product. This is pure Georgette Banarasi, pure Georgette Banarasi with, see, these are woven, these polka dots are woven. The floral prints are digital prints done in pure Georgette. This is very fashionable, very fashionable sari in jet black, gold zari, pallu. I'll show you the back part. It's 12,500 rupees, pure Georgette Banarasi woven with digital print, and the print is also very smart print with multicolors that I've used, floral smart prints. This is the blouse. Make the same blouse piece. I think black only will look nice, not contrast, so that the prints stand out, because the print colors are very pastel shade and pretty colors that has been used. 12,500 rupees. This is the Georgette. This is in Georgette Banarasi. So all fashionable stuff but traditional. Product number 17, 12,500. Georgette Banarasi again, but in a beautiful shade of light pista. Very uncommon color combination. The print that I've done, it seems as if it is Kashmiri Parsi work, but no, this is yes, of course it has been inspired by the Parsi embroidery, but this is in digital print. See, and the polka that you are seeing, that's weave, that's the zari weave of the sari. 12,500 rupees, and this is the look, because the rest half, the pleat part, will have black dyed with this, and the border of course will go running. See how smart it will look on draping. This is the blouse piece with this. This is the blouse piece. Sorry. Now the one that I'm wearing, similar to those, I'll show you. I'll show one plain one and then I'll show you those. This is in green, product number 18, 10,950 rupees. The same sari which I had worn in previous episode, the black one. The same thing is available in green now and also in black. So those who want the black one also can contact with the screenshot. Product number 18, 10,950 rupees. This is the pallu. And again the rich woven blouse piece. In the solid colors, I've used rich blouse piece. See the blouse piece. This is the look. Product number 19, exactly same that I'm wearing. I'll show you three colors. This is red. Just see how beautiful the weave is. All hand woven, karwal. Pallu, 10,950, all over small buta. pure crepe. Please like, share and subscribe. Leave messages, comments, and please recommend your friends if you like the products. This is the blouse piece. Heavy butta, so plain blouse. This is the red color combination, same that I am wearing. Even the one that I am wearing, it's in rich burgundy, purplish burgundy color. See the color combination. This is the pallu. Very flowy and very comfortable. See. The neck piece that I am wearing is 5,990 rupees. The neck piece that I am wearing, it's a premium temple jewelry. Since I am wearing a gold and burgundy color, I've used a little bit of stones, multicolored, just green and magenta stone. It has a lovely jhumka with this. The whole set is 5,990 rupees. This is the jhumka, and this has tassels at the back. So this has a tassel at the back, so you can also increase the length. But I think this work, just check out the work, it's so intricate. The bangle set of pair of bangles is 1,790 rupees, set of 1,750 rupees, set of 4, again with green and magenta stone setting, eddy also. And the last one, number 20, episode 58, number 20, this is the Rani color. This is the blouse piece. Once more, how it looks when you drape it. This is the side. Thank you for supporting small scale business like ours.